Welcome to Tad's Recipe, Pinoy Salad Vlog. Ngayon po ay gagawa ako ng instant fried ramen with a twist. So ngayon po ay lalagyan ko siya ng gulay. This is my first time to cook this fried ramen with vegetables. It's like an instant noodles. Pero lalagyan natin ng gulay. Luluto natin. So first, yung mga sahog is the spices that we will be putting. So we will not put anything, only these spices. It's inside of the instant noodles. So now we will start cooking now. So here's the vegetables that I will put. Wash hands with vegetables. So I will gigisahin muna natin. So I will use garlic, onion, and then our vegetables, Bagiuo Beans, carrots, and cabbage. So I will start now. I will put some olive oil. Konti lang olive oil. And then I will soak the noodles with hot water. So now I put our vegetables. So, mas masarap po kung half cook lang yung vegetables natin para crunchy and yummy. Then I will put the spices of our fried noodles. So I didn't add anything po. Yun lang nasa instant noodles natin. Or fried ramen. then I will put now. So medyo malambot na pa yung noodles natin. Medyo nagsabaw po yung gulay. So takpan lang po natin konti for about 1 to 2 minutes, then it's all done. So, ayan na po. Luto na po yung ating fried noodles. Instant fried noodles with vegetables. Ayan. So, kahit anong fried noodles po gusto nyo gamitin. So, ito po I tried fried ramen noodles. Okay. This is my first time to cook this kind of fried noodles. I just want to experiment para mas healthy. Okay, that's it. Wala. So here's our instant fried noodles with vegetables. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Tadz Recipe, Pinoy Salad Vlog. Thank you.